In this video, I will be talking and demonstrating how to add OBS filter shader plugin to OBS on a Ubuntu computer. I'm using OBS on Ubuntu to record my videos, and in order to have the effects that I want, I needed to install OBS filter shader plugin. This is not available on Ubuntu, so I had to figure out and do a self-compiled version of OBS, and I thought that this might be of interest for other users. So here is how I did it with all the resources and demonstration how to do it yourself. Let's get started. A little bit of background, the what, why and how. In my earliest videos I recorded those without anybody being visible. I wanted to make the videos a bit more personal, so I started showing up in the videos, but I have never been comfortable with actually being in front of the camera. So I created a in-custom character, but I was not happy about the result because it was too impersonal. So the experiment starting now is using a cartoon filter, as you can see. For this I needed to add OBS filter shader plugin to OBS. As I'm running a Ubuntu recording computer, this plugin by default is not available, so I had to compile it myself. It took me a little bit to find all the information that I needed and to figure out the right way to compile OBS, including the OBS filter shader plugin and virtual camera support for Ubuntu. The steps are assuming a base installation of your computer, install Git on your computer, download OBS-shaderfilter source code repo, download OBS-studio source code recursively, including all the dependencies, install all dependency packages on your computer, then copy and do some configuration to the OBS-shaderfilter sources into the OBS-studio sources, adjust the config to include OBS-shaderfilter, and then build and install. Version disclaimer: this installation, the demonstration, is based on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, OBS-studio 27.2, OBS-shaderfilter 1.21, and the date of the installation is in March of 2022. The caveats: if you have an active Python environment, e.g. if you have Anaconda installed on your computer, that modifies your path setting. So you need to first replace your path setting in your active terminal window with path settings without the pointer to that installed Python installation. Otherwise it's going to be messing up your libraries, references, and so on. At this time, the modified files to enable Ubuntu build of OBS shader filter are on my own repo. I will need to contact upstream to evaluate strategy and potentially actually merge that capability into the OBS shader filter repo. So let's get started with installing. I created a VM that is base Ubuntu. nothing additionally installed on here. So let me scale this up. There you go. I'm going to be speeding up the video from here, so I won't be explaining what I do, slowing down the video at the appropriate locations so that you actually can follow. Details are on the web page. Detailed instructions so that you actually can very easily replicate. Now that I have opened OBS, I simply put in a video capture device and going into the filters, trying to add a filter. The user-defined shader down here is the OBS-shaderfilter, so it actually worked. And with that, OBS-shaderfilter is installed and available on an OBS built on Ubuntu. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. On my channel, frequently publishing mostly educational videos that are in the area of data science, machine learning, AI, Python programming, foundations of programming in Python there, as well as talking about data science related topics or exploring topics in data science to different levels of depth. Thanks for watching and see you next time. I appreciate you dropping by. Please subscribe. I'm done here. Fire to that.